So in the previous video we created this parameter which is filter by selected measure. So we had different measures like cost, discount, profit, quantity and sales. Now let's create a calculated field to make this parameter work. Go to this drop down, create calculated field, and let's name it filter by selected measure. And now we have to put a condition, so we can use if else conditions or case when then in Tableau. And if you click here, you can see all the functions that are available under Tableau. We will discuss about these functions later, but let's ignore for now and let's focus on the if else condition. So now let's write if else condition. So write if this parameter name is filter by, so if this parameter has a value of is equal to cost, make sure you are using the correct you can say capitalized letter or the small letters. So because these values are case sensitive, make sure that you are using the correct case. If this parameter is equal to cost, then use sum of cost, this is a measure cost, and else if filter measure is equal to discount. Again I am saying that make sure that you are using correct case that you have used in this parameter. So D is capital, so I have written discount, then sum of discount, and similarly for others, else if filter is equal to profit, then sum of profit, else if filter by selected measure, which is a parameter, is equal to quantity, then sum of quantity, and last is else if filter is equal to sales, then sum of sales. Okay, so now this is completed, but yes, you can see that we are getting an error. So at the end you have to include end. It is giving me an error, let me see. Okay, so this is already aggregated. Let's remove this and just use it as the measure. Okay, not this one. You remember that we used calculated field to find out the cost. So and we used sum of sales minus sum of profit. So this is already aggregated by using sum function, but the others are not aggregated. So this is why it was giving an error. Otherwise it is fine. Now you can see the calculation is valid. Let's click OK, and you can see that this calculated field can be seen here under the measure filter by selected measure. Now let's remove the profit for now. Let's remove aggregate cost. So now this is blank, the values are not coming. Let's put this calculated field on text, and now we can see that the cost is updated. If I click discount, it will reflect discount everywhere. If I click on profit, profits will be there, quantity, and last is sales. So yes, all the values are coming correctly by using this parameter and the calculated field. So this is how we use parameter and calculated simultaneously, so that parameter should work correctly. So that's all for this video. But the last thing is, if you notice the tooltip, you can see that filter by selected measure is coming here. Instead of this, let's do one thing. Go to tooltip, delete this, and go to insert. You can actually use this parameter. So if the parameter will be selected as cost, or if it is currently selected as sales, so here the sales will be reflected. Okay, and now go to go to tooltip. Now you can see that sales is coming. If I change it to discount, now tooltip will reflect as discount. So this is how you can update tooltips if you have created a specific parameter. So I hope guys you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and please continue with this playlist to learn some more exciting videos on Tableau. Thank you.